let's not get lost. The ride. Bit bumpy, I tell you that. A Dino Dumbo. Now that's a movie I'd like to see them make. You're on YouTube. Hello guys, my name is Stephen Blackwood, and today on the Stephen Blackwood YouTube channel we are at Animal Kingdom, Disney's Animal Kingdom, which is celebrating 20 years this year. So that means 1998. I would have been 1 year old. I wonder if any of you have been to Animal Kingdom. Let me know in the comments below. Today we are going to be here at EXPEDITION Everest, Calorie Rapids Dinosaur. Let's not get lost. The ride. And I'm a celebrity, get me out of here.
Don't get lost, right?
Let's try again. So we're going to take you around every step of the way at the Animal Kingdom, of course, only on the Stephen Blackwood YouTube channel. With me, Stephen Blackwood, and we're going to see you. On the channel. Thank you. We got some fans of the channel, of course. He's excited, and it's Animal Kingdom. Let's go. I bet you're asking, Stephen, you look a bit more wet this time, and that's a good question, YouTube, because after the first time, if you don't get wet, you normally go around and do it again, so you can get wet. It's that hot over here, you want to be getting wet on rides. Simple equation, just get wet. Dad, you've left your washing out. Nanny, you've left your washing. Give us a clean. To be going on a Dino Dumbo. Now that's a movie I'd like to see them make. Dino Dumbo, the ride, the movie. Finally getting here. EXPEDITION Everest. Seen it on Saturday night takeaway, and here we are. I will take you on the ride. Hopefully, I won't take you on the ride. I'll take you on the ride, and I'll see you for my reactions after the rides. Let's go see that Yeti. Hello. EXPEDITIon Everest. Let's go for a ride. Alright, here we go. This is as good as Store the Ride. Oh my god. Look at that. Yeah, wonderful. Hey. There we go. Expedition Everest at Animal Kingdom here at Walt Disney World in Florida. Florida, there we go. I'd like to hear some reaction videos of reactions of what you thought of the ride.
Everest is very good, I must admit, right?
It's awesome, it is brilliant.
Is it?
It's definitely a thrill ride.
Yeah, it is a thrill ride, it's good.
Thanks to single rider. We got to go on it twice afterwards, 2 more times. So here at Disney's Animal Kingdom, I will just say go on Expedition Everest. Hope you enjoyed that ride footage, and I'll see you again next time on Expedition Everest, only on the... Wait to the camera, Donald! Ah! You're on YouTube! Oh, thank you! Thank you very much, thank you, my son. Just see what you got in the mirror there? Yeah?
Good, Donald.
Looking good. Looking good, thank you, Donald. And you win! Here we go! That's alright so far, I didn't mind that. We're gonna go, go, go. We're gonna go, go, go. Just about to get our first glimpses of the brand new Avatar land.